Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, when we thought we've heard it all, when we thought we've seen it all, this is just the beginning. Only God can explain this story of May Edochie encounter with the Edochie family. There are family you get married into for eternity. For eternity. It will remain a stain to your lineage. My people, when we thought this whole matter is getting to an end, but God said, before this matter go end, the truth must prevail. Because a lot of lies were said about May Edochie. A lot of things were said about this woman. Ebubedike, Ogidi Gada, have reached out to May Edochie. As he called May Edochie was expecting that Grandpapa want to tell her that they have finally fixed the date when she and her family, they will come, when they will set May Edochie free. But no, May Edochie heard something new when it shocked her. Something strange when it shocked May Edochie. This life, if you are not strong, I keep on telling people, if you are not strong spiritual, just suffer day your own, no go find trouble. Suffer, just suffer, they do your own so that God will be by your side. And make sure if you know say you not get 4 eyes, hold God tight. He's the only one that fights the battle you cannot see. He's the only one that hear what you cannot hear. And he will go for you to fight that battle. If you don't have 4 eyes, you cannot see. Put your faith and hope in God, whether you are a Christian, whether you are a Muslim. Put your hope in God. Let him fight the battle for you. This world have turned to something else. If I dey talk, una no dey believe me. There is no longer love. Especially you see this country called Nigeria. I know say no be the thing what I want to tell you now. I just want to make una know. You see this country, Nigeria. Nigeria, the problem of Nigeria is that the land is crying. Nigeria land is crying. The BLEOOD of innocent people are crying. Those days, there is something we call cleansing of the land, which was taken for granted. People, the world is wicked. May Edochie hear waiting pass her ear. She no fit talk. Like this woman, no be she can dey talk now. Now her friends, now they carry this matter for head. Priceless say, Messiano skincare. Hey, Anita Joseph. No be small thing they happen no. If I give una this gist, una self una go vex. For this story what I won't give una so, una go vex. I no won't waste una time again because this whole thing is strange. Peter Edochie called me Edochie. Tell the woman say, he and some people they come May Edochie compound for Lagos. And they will be coming by 4 o'clock in the morning. Now May Edochie say 4 o'clock in the morning. So do what now? Is it not too early? Peter Edochie say no. They will come. They are coming to the May Edochie mansion. But they no go enter house. There is something outside the gate when they won't dig. Say make May Edochie, make she not fear. Say 4 o'clock, they go hear noise. But make they not come outside. Make the day house. That 4 o'clock, then they outside the gate. There is something where they won't dig. They go see people they dig go, they dig round me Edoshe gate. Me Edoshe should not be afraid. Make she relax. Naim with some people they come. They want to come and dig something. So 4 o'clock, in go dey there. And me Edoshe say, don't come. Don't just try to come. Because 4 o'clock, if you dey gate, in go call police. You've not explained anything to her. You are coming to her house 4 o'clock to dig ground. Wait till dig ground. Una won't build another house. Una won't lay foundation. What are you digging? Peter Edoshe said there is not everything they explain. Certain things are not meant to explain. When he says he want to come and dig, that means there is something that was buried there. Now me Edoshe say, he talk am. Buried by who? Who buried it? By who? Now Peter Edoshe said that is not the problem. The problem is that they want to come and dig what they put there. And now me Edoshe tell Peter Edoshe say, she don't want to see anybody close to her gate. Whether it is 4 o'clock or whether it is 5 o'clock or whether it is 10 o'clock, she don't want to see anybody close to her gate. Talk less or say that they dig hole. Hey, now soldier, now he will pack everybody. And she will make sure till soldier tire for them before they go release them. Peter Edoshe told me Edoshe that this thing where you won't go dig is for your own good and the good of your children. Edoshe told Peter Edoshe, what is good about digging some kind of evil things from the ground? When did you people bury it? How did you people bury it? When she not know. Wait till una bury for front of her compound. Peter Edoshe said it's something they cannot explain. But me Edoshe should just allow them to come at the gates. That me Edoshe say no, they agree. Peter Edoshe say take your time and think about it. He will still call you back. You know say this thing looks strange for you. But relax, it's just normal thing. There are certain things there when you be say they need to carry. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Now me Edoshe call her sister, call her friends. Say somebody should educate her. At this point, she needs somebody to educate her. Because she don't want to believe that what she's thinking is what is happening. May it not be like say she can't dey temper with her brain and memories and all. She just wants an explanation. Now the Misiano Skincare, Priceless, Anita Joseph, all of them were asking, what is it? Me Edoshe told them what Peter Edoshe told her. Say they won't come her compound, can't dig something from underground. Say something dey inside front of the gate where they bury. They won't come carry their thing. Say the thing are their property. They want to come and carry it. Since the marriage between May Edoshe and Yul Edoshe don't end. So that thing where they dig for ground, they won't come carry them. Now Priceless say, for what? For what? They say Misiano Skincare say, to this extent. Now me Edoshe say, you should explain. Now Anita Joseph say there is nothing to explain me Edoshe. The charms and juju they buried in your compound. That is what they want to come and uproot. And be very careful. Because charm where they bury for ground, if for ground. Maybe it don't expire. Maybe they are coming to put new ones. Maybe it's new one they are coming to put because they don't talk to you physical, talk to you spiritual, talk to you materially and all. You stand your ground that this marriage is over and it's over. That nothing will ever make you to go back to you. Are you sure these people not be charmed? They won't come renew for your gates. Anita Joseph told me Edoshe, for how she believes say the charm where they put for their door expire. Because if to say the charm they work, me Edoshe for not say matter they tell you say I not do again, we must go court. Say me Edoshe for don't come outside, they even they beg you with camera, though they record down. She go they beg. My lovely fans, now the Priceless tell me Edoshe say, on no account he should allow Peter Edoshe to come to that compound. Anything where they dig, where they bury, where they put for there, it don't pass. Me and those she friends, they all stood by her, telling her that she should never allow anybody to come and dig anything in front of her gate. And to even worsen the whole matter, the front of the gate is not sand, oh, now smith. They don't smith them. So for somebody to get strength to break smith, come say that they dig ground, what is there? Priceless said, tell me, she say, I beg. Don't even try it. These people, they came with evil plans. Evil plans. Now they know, say this separation, this divorce, there is nothing they can do about it again. They won't come plant something for your house. Can't use mates take cover again. That one now, bye you. That time, me Edoche, if you dey see her, will be priceless, you go dey ask, who are you? Now they won't do you, me Edoche. Priceless won't me Edoche say, she should never allow it to happen. Wonder shall never end. Me Edoche sister put one for head, say, so these people never rest. When they say everybody don't move on, these people never rest. Me Edoche's elder sister, when he do obodo yibo, where they call blessing, tell me Edoche say, be very careful. Be very careful. Now only who blind, now I no go see and say these people get plan. Just imagine, grandpapa say that they come by 4 o'clock, come dig ground. We all know what 4 o'clock stand for. 4 o'clock stand for people that are spiritually strong. The right time to attack them. You know, people that are spiritually strong, then they know they sleep for night. You might be sleeping in the night. Your soul, your body can never sleep. You see that they dream they see themselves for their papa village. They dream they see themselves for a strange place where their soul is fighting battles. Where their soul is on a mission. Not bad one, good ones. So, when they don't go all those battles, or even those that are Christian that wake up in the night to pray, they know that time. But before 4 o'clock, everybody don't go sleep. All the spiritual soul, they go to rest by 4. And that 4 o'clock is when they strike. It's when they arise, because the strong powers are no longer on the air. That is when they will come. They want to come and attack. That very time, now God now going to fight person battle. You will no longer be in position to fight, because you've done all your mission. 4 o'clock, you are supposed to sleep. So that 4 o'clock is meant to attack people that are spiritually strong in the spiritual realms. Wonder shall never end, my people. They say if na see am, Peter Edoche won't almost cry. Say, why me Edoche go do this thing? Me Edoche, if he tell you say this thing is important, it's very important. Peter Edoche told me Edoche that this thing wey me Edoche they do, say it's very dangerous. Me Edoche is not supposed to even talk for this matter. What is there that they want to dig? What is there when they want dig? They say me Edoche friends, they say lie. All of them say lie. Make me Edoche no gree. If Peter Edoche say he get wetin they put for there, where they want dig, he should come in the morning by 10 o'clock. Make everybody eyes the reach out. Make they uproot wetin they plant for there. I believe that there was something they did on that gate, which maybe the thing they backfire them, and they need to uproot that thing. Imagine say person dey house, you don't even know what is surrounding the house. They say Peter Edoche say na something that they must take. Say the things surround me Edoche house. Me Edoche should allow him to do the needful. What is really happening? Is this true life confession? Because this is very strange. Is it that Peter Edoche is confessing? And who put that thing for there? I no put that thing for there. Who dig the thing put for ground? They say May Edochie sister Blessing don vex. Say this one cannot slip by. Who dig wetin Peter Edochie wan come dig come outside? Who buried it there? Wetin una bury? Now wetin Blessing dey ask them. Blessing say if they not talk, only they go bring man of God, make they come scatter there and uproot that which they planted there. Hey, my people, matter don't pass, be careful. When we thought we've seen it all, what kind of wickedness is this? This is correct wickedness. This woman no even know wetin dey around her. Thank God say, na person wey can go put her faith in God. Just imagine the kind of attack upon this woman. May God have mercy. Oh. This fine house, na dey una eye. Is it that you people truly want to come and plant something in that house? Or you want to come and uproot the one we una put? At this point, we don't know what they really want to do. Whether they want to really come and uproot what they planted there, or rather they want to come and plant another evil charm there. Because now the domot of the gate before you enter house. Now there they mostly they do evil charm front of the gate. If the person just they enter, the charm go enter inside the person. Wonder shall never end, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.